How do you make your desires a reality using the law of attraction? Well, there are several effective methods for manifesting what you want in life. In this collection, I've gathered the 11 most powerful manifestation techniques for achieving your dreams. Many of these techniques are inspired by the teachings of Abraham Hicks or Melody Fletcher, both of whom I highly recommend exploring. Furthermore, some of the techniques are quite similar, so I've grouped them together as one technique. There's no definitive best or worst manifestation technique to start with, so feel free to choose the ones that resonate with you the most and begin your journey. Scripting or visualizing is considered one of the fundamental techniques of the law of attraction, and it's highly effective in manifesting your desires. This practice helps you immerse yourself in the mindset of where you want to be, making it easier to attract those desires into your reality. To script, start by grabbing a journal and finding a quiet space to write. In your journal, jot down every detail of the life you envision for yourself. Where do you live? What do you do? Are you married? Do you have children? Describe your ideal home and try to evoke the feeling of already having everything you desire. To attract your desires, you must align your vibrational frequency with what you want, which means immersing yourself in the feeling of already having it. For an enhanced scripting exercise, outline your ideal day from start to finish. What time do you wake up? How do your sheets feel? Do you share a kiss with your partner? Do you grab coffee or go for a morning jog? Capture every detail. You can also focus on specific aspects of your life, such as your career or love life, by scripting them individually. However, it's crucial to align yourself with the emotional vibration of your desires. Just like with affirmations, simply writing, without truly believing or feeling, it won't be effective. Visualizing follows a similar process to scripting, but without the writing. Again, immerse yourself in the feeling state of your desired life as you imagine it. Wouldn't it be nice if serves as a helpful variation of scripting or visualizing, especially if you encounter difficulties with those techniques due to the feeling of doubt or skepticism. To engage in the "wouldn't it be nice if" game, you take the desires you identified during the scripting exercise and preface them with the phrase, "Wouldn't it be nice if?" This approach allows you to explore your dreams with a sense of openness and possibility. For example, if you desire to own a house but feel discouraged by financial constraints, you might say to yourself, "Wouldn't it be nice if I owned a house? Wouldn't it be nice if I discovered an affordable house that I adore? Wouldn't it be nice if someone gifted me a house? Wouldn't it be nice if my income increased significantly, enabling me to easily afford my dream home?" The beauty of the "wouldn't it be nice if" game lies in its ability to relax your mind. By prefacing your desires with this phrase, you create a space for exploration and imagination without immediately triggering feelings of impossibility or resistance. This approach gently guides you into aligning with the vibration of your desires. Utilizing a manifestation box or crafting a vision board offers a tangible and visual means of setting intentions to manifest your desires. To create a vision board, gather images that symbolize your desired manifestations, such as a picture of your dream car or a happy family, and affix them to either a physical board or a digital canvas. Ensure that the chosen images evoke the emotions associated with your desires, as the purpose of the board is to elicit the feeling of already having what you want. Once your vision board is assembled, prominently display it in a location where you'll frequently encounter it. If you've created a digital board, set it as your wallpaper background. Regularly gaze upon the board throughout the day, allowing yourself to immerse in the emotional state represented by the images. A manifestation box functions similarly, but instead of affixing images to a board, you place them inside a box. As you add each item to the box, affirm to yourself, "I have requested what I desire, and everything contained within this box will manifest." This technique is particularly beneficial for individuals who prefer hands-on activities or struggle with visualization. Engaging in a rampage of appreciation or utilizing a book of positive aspects can be highly effective when you're already feeling positive about your manifestations or simply need a boost of positivity. These techniques are particularly beneficial for starting your day on a positive note, setting the tone for a fulfilling day ahead. To conduct a rampage of appreciation, begin by focusing on something you're grateful for, and then continue to express why you appreciate it. For instance, if you're grateful for your pet dog, you might reflect on its adorable features and endearing behaviors. As you delve deeper into expressing your appreciation, you'll likely find yourself feeling happier, which can lead to more positive thoughts emerging naturally. Allow yourself to immerse in this chain of positive thoughts and savor the joyful feelings they evoke. Similarly, a book of positive aspects involves physically writing down your appreciation in a journal. This tool offers the advantage of having a tangible record of your positive reflections, allowing you to revisit them whenever you need a boost of happiness. By flipping through your journal during moments of emotional imbalance, you can remind yourself of the many reasons to feel grateful and uplifted. Both techniques serve to elevate your mood and mindset by focusing on the aspects of your life that bring joy and appreciation. Whether expressed orally or in writing, these practices help align your thoughts with positive vibrations, fostering a sense of well-being and optimism that can positively impact your day. The universe abhors a vacuum is a commonly embraced principle within the law of attraction, LOA community, and it holds significant truth. Decluttering your physical space not only clears physical clutter, but also brings clarity regarding your desires and eliminates what no longer serves you. This process lightens both your physical space and your energy, creating a conducive environment for manifesting your desires while letting go of what you don't want. Various books and techniques exist for decluttering, but a straightforward method to begin with involves conducting a quick scan of your surroundings and identifying items you wish to discard, sell, or donate. Placing these items in a bag immediately demonstrates the positive impact of decluttering, making your space feel lighter and more pleasant. This initial step often serves as motivation to engage in a more thorough decluttering process, resulting in further improvements in your environment and overall well-being. Though pivoting, the focus wheel, and the vibrational ladder are distinct techniques, they share a common goal: shifting limiting beliefs when experiencing difficulty finding joy in a particular subject. Pivoting is the simplest approach among the three. It involves starting with the current thought about the subject, even if negative, and then selecting a slightly more positive thought that feels believable. For instance, shifting from "it's impossible to lose weight" to "some people have achieved weight loss even when it seemed impossible for them." The aim is to make incremental vibrational shifts that feel attainable and improve the overall feeling. The focus wheel employs a similar concept, but in a structured format. It begins with drawing a circle on a piece of paper and numbering it like a clock from 1 to 12. In the center, the current limiting belief is written, and then progressively better feeling thoughts are written at each hour mark around the circle, moving clockwise. This method provides a systematic approach to pivoting thoughts and can offer a sense of direction and time frame for changing the vibration of the belief. While a focus wheel may not immediately lead to feeling perfect about the belief being addressed, it serves as a helpful tool for initiating positive shifts in perspective. The vibrational ladder, on the other hand, serves as a framework for understanding emotions and their relation to feelings of personal empowerment. It depicts emotions on a scale similar to a number scale, ranging from disempowerment to empowerment. This ladder illustrates the progression from lower vibrational emotions to higher ones, guiding individuals in navigating their emotional state towards a more empowering mindset. To effectively transition from sadness to joy through pivoting, it's essential to allow yourself to progress through various emotional states. This typically involves moving from sadness to anger, then to a neutral state, followed by feelings of hopefulness, and finally reaching joy. Utilizing the vibrational ladder as a roadmap for pivoting is beneficial as it offers a clear emotional pathway for your thoughts to follow. However, if you encounter obstacles or feel hesitant about embracing anger as part of this process, here's a useful guide to help navigate and manage this emotion. Meditation serves as another effective method for elevating your vibration and steering away from negative thoughts. To begin, locate a comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Set a timer for your desired meditation duration, starting with 1 to 5 minutes is recommended, and then sit quietly, focusing on observing your breath. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and let them pass without dwelling on them. Initially, it may be challenging to quiet the mind, so do your best and be patient with yourself. What makes meditation valuable from a law of attraction perspective is its ability to bring you to a neutral state. By interrupting any negative thought patterns or manifestations in progress, meditation allows you to reset and shift towards a more positive mindset. A similar approach recommended by Abraham Hicks is taking a nap. During sleep, you naturally release any current vibrational states and ascend to a higher one. Upon waking up, you're better equipped to shift your focus towards a higher vibrational and happier state. If meditation or napping doesn't resonate with you, there are alternative practices that can also lead to a neutral state. Activities such as listening to music, engaging in sports, or even cleaning can serve the same purpose of helping you reset your vibration and transition to a more positive space. Segment intending is a valuable technique, particularly useful when you're feeling uncertain or unstable about an upcoming event, such as a meeting or a family dinner. In this manifestation method, you mentally visualize and navigate through the entire scenario of the event scheduled for later in the day. During this visualization, you intentionally shape how you want the situation to unfold. For instance, envision your clients expressing excitement and approval for your new project proposal, or imagine your family warmly welcoming and accepting your new partner during dinner. Segment intending offers the added benefit of revealing any unconscious limiting beliefs you may hold. If, during your visualization, unexpected negative outcomes arise, like clients expressing dissatisfaction or family members reacting unfavorably, it could indicate underlying limiting beliefs related to success or interpersonal interactions. Recognizing these blind spots allows you to address them using other techniques, such as anger release, to clear the blockage and manifest a positive outcome for the upcoming event. This technique is highly effective when you're feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what action to take, or when you believe you lack control over the outcome. First, you compile a list of tasks or desired outcomes that you need to address. Next, you categorize the list into 2 parts: tasks for which you'll take direct responsibility and action, and those for which you'll delegate to an imaginary manager or a higher power, such as God. You communicate the tasks to your manager or God, trusting that they will handle them while you focus on your own responsibilities. This approach is beneficial because it relieves the pressure of feeling obligated to handle everything yourself. By entrusting certain tasks to your manager, God, you can energetically relax and let go of the need to control every aspect. This sense of trust and surrender elevates your vibration, making it easier to manifest your desires. The prosperity game and the wallet process are effective techniques for enhancing your financial abundance. To play the prosperity game, you begin by envisioning that you have $1,000 and then decide how you would spend that money. It's important to allocate the entire amount. The following day, you double the amount to $2,000 and repeat the process of determining how you would spend it. This game is valuable because it enables you to immerse yourself in the mindset of limitless abundance while providing clarity on your spending priorities. It's intriguing to observe how many days it takes for you to feel that you have enough money to purchase everything you desire. In the wallet process, you place a $100 bill in your wallet. Whenever you're out and encounter something you'd like to buy, you glance at the $100 bill and remind yourself, I have the ability to purchase that, but I'm choosing not to do so at this moment. Shifting your mindset from I can't afford that to I'm choosing not to buy that is empowering and elevates your vibration regarding abundance. Certainly, the final and crucial technique is to take inspired action. Often, physical action is necessary to manifest your desires, but if it's not approached from a place of empowerment, the process may be more challenging and prolonged than necessary. Melody Fletcher offers a helpful analogy for inspired action. Imagine you're tasked with building a house, and the universe has provided you with a full construction crew ready to build whatever house you desire. However, instead of leveraging this resource, you attempt to build the entire house on your own, exhausting yourself with a shovel. Meanwhile, the construction crew waits for your instructions to start building. Similarly, when you take action without aligning with your desires or gaining clarity on what you truly want, it's like trying to build a house solo. While it's technically possible, the process will be arduous and joyless. Alternatively, by aligning yourself with your desires and gaining clarity, you inform the universe or your construction crew of your intentions and needs. You can decide which tasks you enjoy and want to handle yourself while delegating others to the crew. This approach ensures that your actions are inspired and come from a place of joy, making them easier and more enjoyable to execute.